You've seen the changes. Our museum renovations, new exhibits, and outreach programs brought to your community. All of it was made possible by the people who have already supported our transformation initiative. Now it's your turn to help build our future. Gifts made now will be matched dollar for dollar thanks to $25,000 in matching funds from our Board of Trustees. Every gift of $100 or more will be recognized on signage in the museum with a minifigure graphic you personalize. Personalize one or personalize a whole family's worth. Each gift helps us maximize our match today and helps us continue our transformation in the museum and out in the community. Together, we'll ensure every child in our community can explore engineering, creativity, and possibility. Donate today, double your impact, customize your minifigure, and help build our future.